Lanemark as a company is a specialist manufacturer of process burners for industry. The company Lanemark was founded originally in 1981 as a management buyout from Dunlop. What we're looking to do is expand further within the export market. Process burner industry in the UK has shrunk, which is partly because of companies that are closing or either moving abroad, and what we've found is that we need to follow that work. We were aware of the UK Trade and Investment, and so what we did there is make contact with them and explain what we were looking to do, and asked really where do we go from here, what was the best way forward. Approximately 10 years ago, the first country that we looked at for exports was Singapore. So in talking to UK Trade and Investment, what came out of that was a system called OMIS, and it was explained how that would work. If we give details, the specification of the type of company we were looking for, they would then take that information and go to the embassy within, in this case, Singapore, and give them the specification, tell them what we were looking for, talk it through, and come back with a report. And there's a series of set reports that you can go for, different levels, and we requested a list of potential agents, customer base, OEMs, and also an idea of what the marketplace was like, how to do business within that market. Having established from the OMIS report who we wanted to see and making the appointments then from that, we then looked at how then do we get out to market, and not in every case, but in some cases we went attached to a trade mission, and that gave the benefits of you were going out as a team with other companies, and you had then full support of the embassy within that country. If you were with a trade mission, it might mean that there's a function on one of the evenings where you invite the various companies that you're going to meet, and that in itself has its uses. We then asked the OMIS team to look into making appointments for us, checking availability of the companies that we selected, and they came back to us with a detailed report of when people would be available. They even scheduled the timings. They gave us an indication of how long between one appointment to another, which was pretty good. With the OMIS report, what we saw of the quality of the report that came back from the first trial was so encouraging that that's prompted us to use it again. In total now, the OMIS scheme has been used for 5 territories, and we're just gearing up at the moment for some additional market research to be done. And what we've found is that it has benefited us because the time has been best used in terms of trying to find the right company in that territory. So the process has been as quick as we can possibly make it to set up an agent. The spare parts orders are increasing, and we're now seeing in some of the newer territories orders for new process burners coming through. The original marketplace of Singapore has now become a well-established market for us. It's our best market for overseas, outside of perhaps sales within America, but certainly Singapore is doing extremely well. We are seeing that the export market is an area that we need to concentrate on, but there are definitely markets that we are not currently covered by an agent that we will go through the OMIS for the reporting routine, so we can do a detailed survey at a controlled and reasonable cost. My advice to any company looking to move into export is to gain as much knowledge within that marketplace that you're looking to move into as possible before you even set foot on, in the territory. And we've found that the OMIS is a very good tool, at a reasonable price. Our international trade advisor, Mick Page, has been another asset to us. We've had some very good and strong support from our advisor